Blaupunkt All-View Monitoring Camera AVMC 1.0 allows you to have a 360-degree surrounding bird-eye view of your vehicle even when you're driving or parking your vehicle. In the box, you will get 4 cameras which are front, rear, left and right camera. Using IMX8307 cameras in all directions, it generates a crystal clear resolution on your CarPlayer display. You will get the extension cords to link them up to your CarPlayer. You will also get 4 grommets and hole saw for the installation work. Rear camera bracket, 3M tape and screws for the fitting. Last but not least, user manual for the installation guide. Blaupunkt AVMC 1.0 ensures that the surroundings of the vehicles are displayed in a high definition of 720p resolution. Drive confidently with AVMC 1.0 that is designed to provide you a bird-eye view of your surroundings. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.